So the word of the day today is innovation. We're gonna show you something from one of the most innovative brands out there. There's two shoes right here I have, very special. And you guys are gonna get a nice look at them today. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Earl the Pro. We're here at Stadium Goods, and today we have another unboxing for you. All right, this unboxing is gonna show off the Adidas 4D Futurecraft. Adidas has been a brand about innovation, and these are a very innovative shoe. So let's get right into it. So here you have it, folks. The Futurecraft 4D, made in Germany at the Adidas special factories. As you can see, full Primeknit Upper. Throughout the whole upper, we have Primeknit. This 4D crafted midsole we have here, 3D printed in water with a special light synthesis process that they use. So you can see on the bottom of the shoe here, full continental bottom, give it that non-slip grip. So you can actually grip the ground when you're running, performing, doing whatever you're doing in these shoes. The 4D technology uses these different struts to provide precise energy disbursement. So as you know, for previous Adidas innovation, they have the Ultraboost, which is endless energy. This would be more so precise energy. That's what they're trying to give off here. So I'm gonna pull out both shoes so you guys check them out. Once again, full Primeknit upper, Primeknit throughout. This is a pretty much Primeknit based shoe. Laces here in the front. As you can see, full black. 3 stripes on both sides. For branding, of course. If you can see on the inside, Futurecraft, made in Germany. Then you have the 4D printed midsole. Like I mentioned before, Adidas is a very innovative brand, so I'm gonna bring back their last innovation. We have the Adidas Ultraboost. This is the triple black version. Prior Ultraboost would normally come in a yellow boost box, depending on the release. If it was limited or consortium, it may be different, but this one comes in the triple black. As you can see, triple black all throughout the shoe, full Primeknit upper with the black cage and the black back tab, black laces, the reflective tab, the Adidas Sports Performance logo also on there. As you can see, full continental bottom, give you the non-slip grip, the torsion system for stability. But the real innovation in this shoe was the boost throughout, which provided endless energy. Very clean shoe, very durable, lightweight. Guys, so here we have the Adidas Ultraboost and the Adidas Futurecraft 4D, both great shoes. This would be the predecessor to this shoe, which is the future of Adidas. All right, follow us on all social media at Stadium Goods. I'm here at Stadium Goods, and I'm Earl the Pro. Peace.